Milo, are you hungry again? Milo, are you hungry again? You want to eat again? You want to eat again? You have dry food there. You want to eat again? Where's Millie? Where's Millie? Hi, my baby. So good. He loves food. He loves food. Huh? Millie, Milo, do you want food? Millie, you also want food? But I'm giving you the food already not long ago. Do you want another food? Huh? Milo? You want another food? You want always food. You like food all the time. Millie? You want food too? No, you're not allowed outside, Millie. It's night time now. You two must go upstairs and sleep. Huh? Milo? Go upstairs and sleep. Let's go upstairs. Let's go in the bedroom. You must go to your bedroom. Where's your bedroom? Where's your bedroom? Where's your bedroom? Huh? Where's your bedroom? Go to your bedroom upstairs and sleep. And Millie too. Millie? Huh? Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Huh? Close it. Oh, I forgot to close the door. We're not allowed tomorrow. I'll let you out tomorrow. Okay? Because you're gonna run away from me. Alright? You're gonna run away from mommy. And you're gonna go to the parking area. Oh, and then under the cars. And you're gonna hide it there. So when I call you, it's really hard for me to, because you don't want to come inside. You like to be outside. Okay? 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 Go upstairs. Bye.